a black box insurance complaint? Have the company you are with treated you badly? Tell us about it. Black box insurance reviews are fast becoming one of the top black box insurance review sites on the internet.
Hello my dear students, in this video we work with green screen video production. Specifically, at first we remove this green screen background and add a new background instead of this. So without any further delay, let's start it. This is our sample video clip and I already added this video clip in timeline. To remove this green background, process is actually pretty simple. At first go to Video Effects tab and search for Chroma Key plugin. And here we see the Chroma Key effect. Now I simply click and drag and drop it in this video track. And now I expand this color tab. And here we see a pen tool. I just select on this. Actually it works like a color picker. And I select this green background from this previous screen. And look at this, our green screen is just removed. Now to make this character more brighter, I just decrease the value of height threshold. Now I am satisfied with that result, that's why I just close this one. Now to add a new background instead of this black one, I just simply open my browser and in Google search for news background. And I go to Images tab and let's say this time we use as our video background. To do this, at first I just simply download this one and save it in desktop. And after that, import this image file in this project media section. And here it is. Now I drag and drop it under this video clip. And then to fix this one, I just simply select this event effects icon and decrease the value of height threshold. Alright. Now from video effects, I just simply search for picture-in-picture plugin. And drag and drop it in our green screen video. And resize it like this. And then set it right here. Alright. Now to make this video more interesting, I just simply go to pixabay.com. It is a free website and I very often use this website to get royalty-free images and video footage. This time I select videos and search for news. And let's say this time I download this video clip in 1920 by 1080 resolution. So our downloading is now complete. And this time I just simply drag and drop this video in this project media section. And then simply place it right here and remove the music track from this video. And after that, I just simply set this video above this background image and scratch it like this. And then again I go to Video Effects tab and drag and drop it this picture-in-picture plugin. And this time I set this video clip in this TV to make this video more animated and interesting. Alright. And yes, we are done. Let's play this clip.
Oh really? Tell us about it. It's why we're here. Black box insurance reviews are fast becoming one of the top black box insurance review sites on the internet. We are not complacent, though we need your help. Black box insurance has great potential to do a lot of good, but there is also the potential for abuse as this new technology rolls out. We need you to tell us about your concern.
Awesome, right? In this way, you can easily do green screen video production using Vegas Pro. Super cool, right? Thank you so much for watching.